My channel. Yeah, today I'm show you one the basic cryptocurrency for you check it out with the information. Yeah, and Pascal. Yeah, today I'm show you about the Pascal. If you check on the coin market cap or the crypto bubble, yeah, Pascal is now very popular because it is new in the cryptocurrency and just listing on the market, and Pascal can make the big profit, right? It can make the big profit for the who are holder with the Pascal project. And how do you think with the Pascal? Yeah, if you want to check it out all information about the Pascal, you can go to the pascal.org and mining and new. Yeah, for you can see all about the Pascal's new blog, right? Stay updated on the latest new event and happening for the Pascal project here. Yeah, as always, the most up to date and fastest for the project happening in this hour. Yeah, in our official Pascal Discord. Yeah, and this is the Pascal project, and you can see on the crypto bubble. Yes, Pascal today it can increase to 11%, and 1 week is 17%, and 1 month is 19%. Yeah, and especially 1 year. Yeah, Pascal can take the big profit. Yeah, it's more than 60. Yeah, and 1 year Pascal can take the big profit. Yeah, 59%, 69% only 1 year. Yeah, with the Pascal. And if you holding around the 1 US your capital and you earn about the $60, right? $60. Yeah, and if you holding 1,000 your capital, and today you can earn around the yeah 100 or 200% easy, right? And this is the big profit, right? Sorry, 10,000 and 20,000 with the big profit. And the Pascals now it go to top trading on the coins market cap. Yeah, you can go to top trading and see the number 10, right? It rank on the number 10. Pascal it has a lot of trading, right? It has a lot of money trading daily. Yeah, it's more than 500 million per the market and 21 per 24 hour. Yeah, it's that mean a lot of money. And number one, yes, Bitcoin, and number two is Pepe, number three it's just new listing on the trading, but number four is Shiba. Yeah, and number five is OB, and number 6 yes WS, and number 7 Shu, and number 8 Ethereum, right? And Smartec, and then Pascal. Pascal's now rank on the top trading in coin market cap. Yeah, if you compare to the older cryptocurrencies nowadays, it has more than 60 cryptocurrency, but Pascal can rank on the top on trading in coin market cap. It already, yeah. And if you see about the Pascal all time, you have all time high, Pascal can increase to more than you have 63,000, right? 33,000%. That means a lot of profit. You have if you see it's 1 year, yeah, for 1 year is 7,000%. It's more than 7,000%. If you see it's 1 month, yeah, for 1 month is 81%. This is the big profit about the cryptocurrencies, but it's not it all in the cryptocurrency can take the big profits like that. If you buy is fall, if you choose the cryptocurrency is wrong, so you will lose your capital step by step every day. But if you are choose with the real project and with the strong project and strong team, yeah, you can get the big profit around the 1 month and 1 year and 2 years around the 100 or 1,000%. Yeah, and total supply about the Pascal, yeah, 900 billion, right? 900 billion, and maximum supply is 28 billion. So, and now the Pascal is holder more than 67% of maximum supply. and then I think that after 1 and 2 years later, after the Pascal is holding all 100%. Yeah, friends, now Pascal is very interesting on the crypto bubble, and if you want to study about this cryptocurrency, yeah, don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye bye.